Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zones. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can convert Canva design to the Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to show you three methods that you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva design app. So let me take one design here. I just take resume sample design. Okay, so let me take one resume sample. Okay, so this is my design. Okay, so if I want to convert this in Word, so first we need to go to share, go to the download, and download as a PDF. Okay, go to the file tab. Sorry, go to the PDF file, PDF standard, and just click download. So it will be download. Okay, so now come to the Canva home. Okay, and we need to go in create again and just click on the docs option. This is new option of Canva. Just select that, take the blank page. Okay, now go to the file, go to the upload file. Now you have to upload that PDF file which you have downloaded. Just go to the upload, select that file and open it. So it will be start uploading here. Just select that file and just double click on it, or you can simply drag it here. So after you double click, it will be paste here, and you can see this is a design. Okay, you can make it like, okay, I think, okay, so this is a design. You can edit from here. Go to the edit. Okay, so just double click on any elements and you can edit like this. After done, you can save it. So it will be saved. There is a more option like settings, like if you want scrollable animation, you can enable it, but I suggest you make it disable. Okay, so you can fit this file. Okay, fit this resume to the background size of page, the original size of page. Okay, after done, just go to the download as a Microsoft Word document. Keep the A4 size only and download it. It will be download, okay, as a Microsoft Word document. So you can open it and edit it. This is the first method. Second method, what you can do, you go to the Google and type for PDF to Word. So you can see here lots of source. I personally use this one. Here you have to upload that PDF file which we had downloaded first. Just upload and type select continue, so it will be start converting in Microsoft Word document. So it will be take few seconds. Okay, it's now ready to download. Just select that save as. You can download it as a Microsoft Word document. After download, you can open it and edit it. The second method is, now next method is third method. You can use Google Drive. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, so just log in with your Gmail account, come to the Google Drive, and here go to the new and go to the upload file and upload that PDF file, which is first PDF file. Open it, so it will be start uploading. Okay, I have already uploaded, so it's showing me to replace existing one. So I just upload. After upload, just refresh your browser, then you can see your recent uploaded file. Now just right click on it, open with Google Docs. So it will be start open in Google Docs. It will be take few seconds. Okay, now here I can see the resume has been uploaded in Google Docs. Now you can edit as per requirements. You can adjust the margin from here. Okay, you can also make page setup. Okay, we have the portrait, top, left, right. You can keep top and bottom 0.2 or 0.2. Okay, after edit you can go to the file and download as a docs file, so it will be downloaded as a Microsoft Word. So that is 3 way. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.